the Lord, for he will heal us and he will revive us. He will raise us up and we shall live in his sight. Seek ye the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near, and he shall come as the rain, which before was preached unto you. Then we shall know if we follow on to know the Lord. His going forth is prepared as the morning, and he shall come as the rain. And we shall follow him whithersoever he goeth, being firstfruits unto God and to the Lamb. Seek ye the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near, and he shall come as the rain. When the times of refreshing shall come from the presence of the Lord, and he shall send Jesus, which before was preached unto you. Oh, everyone that thirsteth, he giveth us waters. For the rain comes down from heaven and watereth the earth, and makes the earth to bring forth a bud, and it causes the things sown in the garden to appear. So the Lord caused righteousness and praise to spring forth before all nations, when he comes to us as the rain. Seek ye the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near, and he shall come as the rain, which before was preached patient, therefore, brethren, unto the coming of the Lord. Behold, the great husbandman waiteth also for the precious fruit of the earth, and he has long patience for it, until it receive the early latter rain. Be patient, establish your hearts, for the coming of the Lord draweth nigh. Even so, come unto us, Lord, as the rain. Seek ye the Lord while he may be found. Call ye upon him while he is near, and he shall come as the rain. When the times of refreshing shall come from the presence of the Lord, and he shall send Jesus, which before was preached unto you. Oh, everyone that thirsteth, he giveth waters. For the rain comes down from heaven, and water